Next point is industrial applications. So applications of microwave in textile finishing process. The first is microwave device. So this system offers a passage of textile material in a wide state through a waveguide, and the system consists of 6 centrally slotted rectangular waveguide, dimensions 4 by 8 centimeter, and 2 magnetrons which are fed by 100 watt. The waveguide is terminated with a water-based dummy load which prevent a leakage of residual microwave energy. So with the proper design of waveguide and supporting equipment, a specific environment that is at particular wavelength, it can be created in order to provide a controlled distribution of the microwave energy. So making it possible to achieve uniform exposure to a material which are passed through a channel. The leakage of the microwave energy is inherently small due to the fact that waveguide slots are oriented along the wave guideline of symmetry, and therefore they cannot act as efficient slot antennas. So furthermore, in this way, the material lies in the maximum of the electric field, which assures effective coupling to the flowing microwave energy. So in case that request for a slot summary is fulfilled, only the load, that is textile material which passes through the waveguide, has an influence on the energy loss. So the amount of microwave energy absorbed by the textile in each waveguide pass depends on the material thickness and the moisture content. Then it's working. The energy of microwave photons is very low, which is 125 kilojoule per molecule. It is relative to the typical energy for a chemical bond. Thus, microwave will not directly affect the molecular structure. They cannot change the electronic structure around atoms or among them, but they can interact with the electronic differences between atoms. So different materials can be divided according to their response on microwave radiation. The materials which reflect a microwave radiation, that is stayed cold. The material that is transparent to microwave radiation is non-heated. The material which absorb microwave energy being heated. offer microelectromagnetic field oscillating at 2.5 GHz, which is preferred frequency for heating application. The charge changes polarity nearly 5 billion times per second. The microwave radiation is especially tuned to a natural frequency of water molecules to maximize the interactions. So the main difference between the conventional heating with hot air and microwave heating is the heating mechanism. While the conventional technique heat a surface, the microwaves heat the whole volume of the treated object. So during the conventional heating, the heat is generated outside the treated product and conveyed by a conduction or convection. Hence, the surface is heated at first. Afterward, the heat flows toward inside, which always remain colder than the surface, and the required internal temperature can be reached only by sufficient increase of the surface temperature of the material above the temperature needed for particular treatment. Then the next is the advantages. So the advantage is microwave radiation for textile finishing has been used for the combined designing, sourcing and bleaching processes, dyeing processes, as well as for the eradication of the insects from wool textile. The additional usage was for the continuous measuring of low humidity, and all of these experiments were performed in a resonant cavity. Next is a microwave diathermy. So it means MWD. So it is a form of electromagnetic radiations lying between short wave and infrared waves, where energy is absorbed at the surface of the body, and a part of it penetrate and absorb in a deep tissue. So microwave diathermy does not penetrate as deep as short wave diathermy. Microwave has much higher frequency and a shorter wavelength than the short wave. It generates a strong electric field and relatively little magnetic field. Then the general frequency of microwave is between 300 MHz to 300 GHz with wavelength of 10 mm to 1 meter. Then the microwave generator uses a frequency of 2450 MHz with a wavelength of 125.5 mm. The microwave radiation is radiated as a beam from an antenna and absorbed by a water-rich tissue 7,000 times more effectively than a shortwave radio frequency energy. So microwave beam can be narrowed to allow a small areas to be treated accurately, and it is highly directional. It can be aligned rapidly. Then microwave energy is generated by an electronic device known as magnetron. The application consists of an antenna element backed by the reflector and endorsed within a plastic case. So one face of which is transparent to microwave energy. So next is the method of application: direct contact application and non-contact application. In direct contact application, it is less stray radiation produce a more uniform pattern of hitting deep in the tissue. Non-contact, the reflection at the air-skin interface occurs and occasionally generating unacceptably intense stray radiation. Then the next is physical behavior of MWD. It consists of reflection, refraction, absorption, penetration, and transmission. The next is contract. The next is contraction of MWD. So over million tissues, moderate and excessive edema, overweight dressing, and this is physical behavior of the MWD. This part is not important. So refraction, reflection, absorption, penetration, and transmission. Now the next part of this chapter is microwave measurement devices. So the microwave measurement devices such as slotted line, turnable detector, we will see this part in the next lecture. Thank you.